Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. So that you can change the back shock absorbers on your car, you must lift the rear of the vehicle and remove the wheels. This will give you full access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the rear wheels, raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the 2-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. You should now be able to see the back shock absorbers of your car. To remove the back shock absorbers on the left, you must first remove the exhaust muffler, while for the back shock absorber on the right, you must remove the safety wheel. Using a jack, lighten the load on the suspension arm so that you do not put unnecessary pressure on the thread of the screws when unscrewing. With a 24mm spanner, a socket wrench and a 24mm socket, remove the lower holding screws on the shock absorber. Do not hesitate to use penetrating oil to facilitate disassembly. With a socket wrench, a 24mm socket and a 40mm Allen key, remove the upper holding screw on the shock absorber and remove it. Take the new shock absorber and put it in place. Now, screw in the upper part of the shock absorber. Screw and fix everything in place using the 40mm Allen key, the socket wrench and the 24mm socket. To facilitate the installation of the lower part of the shock absorber, place a jack under the undercarriage and apply pressure so that you can align the maintaining hole for the shock absorber with the shock absorber itself. Insert the lower axis and screw it in place with a 24mm spanner and a socket wrench. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Then, you can put the wheels in place on your vehicle, taking care to grease the stud bolts well. Put the car back on the ground and fix the wheels in place correctly. Operation completed.